Welcome back, everyone, to West Explains Best. Today we're going to be doing a Khan Academy tutorial on parts of complex numbers. So complex numbers is an extension of imaginary numbers. So what we need to understand about imaginary numbers is I is equal to the square root of -1. Now, with complex number, a complex number essentially is a combination of real numbers and imaginary numbers. So as you can see here, we have 44i, that's an imaginary number, and they call that the imaginary part. Very creative name, I know. And then we have, and then we have the real part. So the giveaway here is this has I, and this one does not have an I. So as we answer this question, it says, what is the real part? Well, we already know that's 23.3. And what is the imaginary part? We get 44. And that's it. That's the imaginary part. We don't need to type an I because it's just asking for the coefficient, essentially. All right, on to the next question. What are the real and imaginary parts of Z? So we're looking here. Anywhere where there's an I, that's the imaginary part. So this is the imaginary part. This does not have an I, so this is the real part. So this is the imaginary part, that's the real part. So we're just going to go through our options here. I'm guessing RE is the RE means real. So this is a little confusing here. And imaginary. Okay, so the real part equals -19. I understand. So it says RE, the real part of Z equals 3.14 for option A. And imaginary part equals -19. That's not true. -19 is the real part. So we need to go to either B or C because that says the real part is -19. And the imaginary part is 3.14, not the I. It's already implied that the I is attached there, so we're going to pick C for our answer. Okay. Last one, the real part of Z, we're just going to write the -19. That doesn't have the I. And the imaginary part, we're going to write the coefficient of I, which is -24. And there we go. So pretty straightforward Khan Academy there, but in case you were having trouble with it, now you know how to do it. Until next time, be good, be kind, be true, be nice, and be honest. See you later.